Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into the Google account that has your classroom. Open Chrome because it supports creating desktop shortcuts reliably. Once done, go to Classroom. Google.com and verify you're viewing the class or dashboard you want pinned. This ensures the shortcut opens directly to the correct place. Make sure any pop-up blockers are off temporarily so the browser can register the site as installable. This step prepares the page metadata the browser needs to create a proper shortcut. Now create the shortcut. Open Chrome's menu, choose More Tools, then Create Shortcut. You'll see a name field. Use a clear title like Google Classroom Class so you can find it fast. If you want a standalone app-like window, check Open as Window. This removes browser UI and gives a cleaner experience. Confirm Create and the browser will place an icon on your desktop or in your OS app launcher. This makes launching Classroom one click and reduces distractions. Finish by pinning the new shortcut to your taskbar or dock so you can launch it instantly. If you don't see the icon on the desktop, open Chrome //apps or Chrome //settings and drag the Classroom app to the desktop or repeat the Create Shortcut step. If creation fails, clear the browser cache, restart Chrome, and ensure it's updated. Outdated or corrupted profiles often block progressive web app installs. If problems persist, sign out and back into Google to refresh permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.